What's up, kiddos? It's Miss Quisler. On today's episode, I want to show you how I made this yarn wrapped turtle. I am beginning with these 3 popsicle sticks, and the first step is going to be to use colored pencils to color the parts of my turtle. So I'm going to make the head, and the tail, and the arms and legs. Give my turtle some toes. Okay, next I'm going to glue these together like this. Okay, to begin the yarn, I'm going to select my first color. And the purpose of this first color is just to cover the center of my turtle shell. So I'm going to wrap this around a bunch of times just so that it covers the middle. Okay, next I'm going to tie my next color on. And I'm going to wrap around one section of my turtle, one leg, and then skip to the next. Wrap around, skip to the next. Wrap around and skip to the next. So I'm going to keep going until I have enough of this purple color showing, like this. Then I can attach my next color, so I'll just tie that right onto the purple. And I can continue with my wrapping like this. Okay, to finish off this final string, I'm just going to tie a knot on the back and trim this tail. And there it is, a yarn wrapped turtle. Don't forget to share your artwork with me, friends. Happy arting, everyone.